Hello everyone, here's what the finished muzzle of the elk looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using white yarn. For round 1, we need to work 5 chain stitches, 3 single crochet from the second stitch from hook, 3 single crochet in 1 stitch and another to single crochet and 1 increase, 10 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight, so we got 1 slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Repeat with 4 more chain stitches. Finished 5 chain stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook back into the second stitch from hook and work 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch. Repeat with 2 more single crochet. Next, we need to work 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. The first single crochet. Repeat with 2 more single crochet in the same stitch. The second single crochet. And the third single crochet again at the same stitch. While working on this, also turn the piece so that the other side is facing up. Continue with 2 single crochet next. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. Insert hook into the next stitch and work to single crochet to make 1 increase. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch equals 1 increase. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of each round is just for transitioning, it does not count as a stitch. We can count the stitches together. Started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, we have finished 10 stitches in total for round 1. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 10-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Finished the muzzle of elk.